Hey everyone, this is Molly from UI Prep. I'm going to do a walkthrough of our design system and show you how quick and easy it is to make customizations. First, take a look at our welcome page where we have our quick start guide. This is a really valuable resource to help you get up and running quickly. The guide includes a number of tutorials around customizing your colors and typography, as well as using and updating instances. This last section is a great place to learn and experiment with some of the Figma features if you're not already familiar with them. Next, we have our style documentation. You can see here all the different styles are neatly organized for easy reference. You can also view and edit all your styles from the design panel over here. And of course, any changes you end up making to your styles will be automatically seen in the documentation. On this page, we can see all the grid and layout styles across a number of different screen sizes. We even include both fixed and fluid behaviors. For example, you have a fluid grid and a fixed grid. Next, we have the component documentation. Here, you could reference all the different types of components and their associated states and variations, as well as some definitions and example use cases. On this page, we have some example UI, showing a few different ways the components can be used. This is a really great place to play around with some of the components and Figma features to help you get started. Next, we have the master component page. Over here, we've included a small guide with some tips around using atoms, theme masters, and hidden layers. One example I'd like to show you is our inputs. Here you can see all the related atoms are neatly organized in this container. If you want to make a bulk update to all the inputs, for example, changing the label from a light color to a dark color, you can see it just takes a second, and now every input across all your designs will have been updated. And up here, you see that all the theme masters are highlighted in our primary color. What makes these special is that by just editing the theme master, every related component will be updated as well. For example, if you want to update the size of this icon for all states, let's say from 20 to 16, we can see that the update has been made for each state. This is a really powerful editing strategy for components with several states like inputs, buttons, and notifications. Down here is a great place to start your own designs with some suggested frame sizes. And lastly, I want to do a quick demo showing how fast it is to add your branding. For example, if you want to update the primary color, you can navigate to your styles, select a new default color, and then copy and paste the hex code into each of the color variations. Because of these light and dark overlays, all you need to do is add that default hex code, and a well-balanced color palette will be automatically generated for you. So now let's take a look. We can see here that our new primary color has been applied across all of our designs. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to download this design system UI kit, please go to our website at uiprep.com.